Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Your new ride is just a phone call away.